by minus secant square x. Minus secant square x, both are cancelled. Minus write down outside. 1 by t square write down t power of minus 2 into dt. So with respect to t, single term is needed. We have single term t. That's why x power of n formula. Now write down 1 minus into x power of n formula is t power of minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 plus c. Write down. Here is the minus e power of minus 1 by minus 1 plus c. Minus minus both are cancelled. T power of minus 1 is the 1 by t. T means 1 minus tan x should be write down. T means 1 minus tan x should be write down immediately. Right, go through fast, everyone. 26. Our target is today 10 problems. Today also 10 problems. 26. So t with t power of minus 1 means 1 by t plus c. T means write down after integration t value write down. T means 1 by 1 minus tan x plus c. 1 minus 1 tan x plus c. Right. 26th problem is integral of cos of root x by root x. Immediately we can understand cos derivative minus sign is not there, but root x derivative is there. What is the root x derivative? Is the 1 by 2 root x. 1 by 2 root x. Okay, now already root x is denominator. So this root x let it be t. Automatically this should be cancelled. So now write down root x let it be t. 1 by 2 root x, independent root x should be cancelled. Independent root x will be cancelled. Another one is not independent, it is dependent upon cos x. Okay na? So cos place is the root x place, write down t. Automatically independent root x should be cancelled. Okay na? Right. So this is the dx is equal to 2 root x into dt. Now substitute integral of cos of non-independent root x place is the t by independent write down root x. Dx place is the 2 root x into dt. Independent root x should be cancelled. So cos t integration is the sin t. 2 is the outside. Cos t integration is the sin t plus c. T place write down. So t place is the what is the root x. So plus c, but this root x is not independent. It is a dependent means because we can write no problem. Denominator also root t write down. Here also root t write down. All are cancelled. No problem. Denominator also t write down, and here also root x is the t write down. Automatically all are cancelled. No problem. If you have means write down, no objection. Right. 27. Sin of cos of 2x is the sin 2x, but it is under the rule. So cos of 2x relativity mean we get the sin of 2x, but it is under the rule, so it is not cancelled. Okay na? Direct we can observe. So sin 2x derivative is the cos, therefore it have independently, not with root any other. We should be observe. It is the independent. Okay na? It is the independent. Independent term should be derivative term. Non-independent term should be let it be t. Okay na? Root sin 2x is the non-independent. It is under of root. It is under the control of root. That's why it is not independent. So non-independent term let it be t. Okay na? Right. So sin of 2x let it be t. Don't let cos of 2x. Cos of 2x let it be t means it is not cancelled. It is under the root of sin 2x. Never be cancelled. Understand point? Right. So t sin derivative is the cos of 2x by the chain rule. Derivative with respect to x, but it is the 2x. That's why 2x derivative is the 2 into dx is equal to dt. Right? dx is equal to dt by 2 cos of 2x. Okay, na? So immediately write down here integral of root over t cos of 2x dx is equal to dt by 2 cos of 2x. So 2 cos of 2x, 2 cos of 2x should be cancelled. 2 cos of 2x, 2 cos of 2x is cancelled. Now 1 by 2 is the outside. Integral of t power of 1 by 2 into dt. So with respect to also single variable t and function also single variable t. Therefore now x power of n integration write down. Now x power of n integration write down. What is x power of n integration is 1 by 2 t power of 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1 plus t. Right, now it is 1 by 2 t power of 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus c. Right, right on. It should become as a 1 by 3 times of 1 by 3 times of what is the t? Sine of 2x power of 3 by 2 plus c is the answer. Okay? So don't let it be cos. Don't let it be cos. Cos is let means it is under the root. It is under the root means it never be cancelled. Okay, na? So sin 2x always you should be remember independent term never be let it be t. Dependent term let it be t. So sin 2x is the dependent upon root. That's why sin 2x let it be t. Point is clear now everyone? Right, go through the 28th problem. Integral of, everyone go through the 28th problem. Integral of cos x by root over 1 plus sin x. Cos x by root over 1 plus sin x. Okay. Right. Now what you should be let it be t then? Cos x let it be t na? Sin x let it be t na? So sin x is the dependent or independent of first observe. Sin x is the dependent upon root. Okay na? Dependent function only let it be t. Okay na? So independent function never will let it be t. So sin x is adding with 1, dependent with 1, and also root, it is also depending upon the root value. So directly we cannot say it is a dependent of root function. So composite function, it is under of root. That's why that function let it be t. So with including constant let it be t, no problem. Sin x is equal to t or t square also we can take, no objection. T square means easy, t will be cancelled. Okay, let it be t. So one derivative is 0, sin derivative is the cos x into dt, cos x into dx is equal to dt itself derivatives, exort derivative. So dx is equal to dt by cos x. dt by cos x, always itself derivative, that is called exort derivative. So with respect to x, itself derivative dx is equal to t derivative is the 1, itself derivative is the dt. Now substitute integral of cos x by root t, dx value is the dt by cos x. Now the cos x should be cancelled. Now we can take integral of t power of minus of e to dt. Here also t, here also t. Okay na? Here also single variable t, here also single variable t. Now apply t power of n formula. Right? Apply the t power of n formula. That is equal to t power of minus of plus 1 by minus of plus 1 plus c. So t power of 1 by 2 by 1 by 2 plus c. So So t value is the 1 plus sin x to the power of 1 by 2. 1 by 2 reverse is the 2 plus c. That is the root of 2 times of root of 1 plus sin x. This final answer is 2 times of root of 1 plus sin x plus c. Who is that smile? Remove from him. That smile, anyone without name, you can join me, take action. Who is that fellow sign? Smile, they are coming. Smile and message will be. Right, everyone go through the 29. 29th problem. లెఫ్ట్ అయ్యాడు వస్తే చూస్తాను జాయిన్ అయితే ఇమీడియట్లీ వాడిని రిమూవ్ చేశాను 29 ఇంటిగ్రల్ ఆఫ్ cot x log of sin x into dx. Right, everyone observe this problem. Cot x derivative, everyone observe the problem. Cot x పైన చూస్తుంటే వస్తే వాడు పైన ఉంటాడు. So cot x derivative, everyone observe. Cot x derivative is the minus cosecant square x. No minus cosecant square x. Therefore cot x there is no derivative. Next, log sin x derivative we can see. Log derivative is the 1 by sin x. By the chain rule, sin x derivative is the cos x. Cos x by sin x is the cot x. Cos x by sin x is the cot x. Immediately 1 by t square, t power of minus 2, t power of minus 2, x power of n formula. Immediately first I go through the 32. I go through the 32 problem. This is 31. First we can see 31 is whole square. So t square. So sin 1 by t square. So t power of minus 2. Everyone write down. T power of minus 2 integral of t power of minus 2 into dt. So minus t power of minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 plus c. So minus minus cancel, t power of minus 1 plus c. Therefore 1 by t plus c is the 31st problem. T means write down 1 plus cos x. 32. Integral of 1 by 1 plus cot x into dx. 33 is the homework. 33 same problem. 33 is the homework. Everyone see. 32 problem. First 1 plus cot x derivative is not there. So what can you do? 1 plus cot x derivative is not there. So compulsory substitution method. Substitution method means in derivative part. What function have the derivative? That function let it be as a t. Everywhere what independent function have the derivative. That dependent function we are going to let it be as a t. Here is the 1 plus cos x have the derivative is the sin x. That's why we are going to let it be t. So but in this problem what there is no derivative part is given. So 1 plus cot x derivative is the minus cosecant square x. No derivative part. So some members will be do some members will we do the process is minus cosecant x square multiplies our denominator is the minus cosecant square without loss. Cosecant square x means 1 plus cot square x. Now let it be cot x is the t. So problem we can be again it will become as some complicated expansion simplification. It will become as a log. That's why I am not going through the log. We get the answer. So minus cosecant square x multiplication denominator also cosecant square x multiplication without log cot x let it be t, then cosecant square will be cancelled, denominator cosecant square x is the 1 plus cot square x, immediately we can multiply, we can do whatever it may be. So simplification it take more time. But what is the simple method is? There is no derivative means immediately you should be write down in terms of cos and sine. In terms of cos and sine, first write down, automatically it is converted. So therefore, cot x means cos x by sine x. 1 plus cot x means cos x by sine x into dx. Okay, I will take LCM. By taking the LCM or next I have the only one chance, I will take the LCM. I will take the LCM. What happens you can see, integral of 1 by sin x plus cos x, 1 by sin x plus cos x, LCM is the sin x into dx. Reverse of the denominator, sin x will be go upside, sin x by sin x plus cos x, sin x plus cos x into dx. We think one manner, but we get one more term. So here again see 1 plus cos x means we can let it be t. No, here is sin x plus cos x. Sin x plus cos x let it be t means it never be sin x. But how can you do, sir? Again we make it as a complicated. Again it is become no problem. Immediately we can be think. So one by one we are proceeding. So here I am thinking, so multiply 2 and divide with 2, then sin x will become as a 2 sin x, sin x plus sin x we can write, okay na? Next step I am going to do. I am thinking about that one. First one is I am writing multiply with 2 and divide with 2, 2 sin x by sin x plus cos x, sin x plus cos x into dx, right? I will write, okay na? So one more step, sin 2 sin x I am going to write it as a 2 sin x I am going to write it as a, so what I am going to write, see 2 sin x I am going to write it as a 1 by 2 times of integral of sin x plus sin x. Immediately I will add cos x minus cos x, no loss for me. So add cos x and minus cos x, no loss for me. Denominator is the sin x plus cos x. Denominator is the sin x plus cos x. I am coming very near to the problem. So denominator is the one sin term, one cos term. That's why numerator also make it as a group, one sin term, one cos term. So denominator is the one sin term, one cos term. That's why numerator also make it as a group wise, one sin term, one cos term. So I am going to make 1 by 2 integral of first group is the sin x and one sin term, one cos x term. Second group. What is the second one here? One more sin x and minus cos x. So sin x minus cos x. Why I am going to do the grouping is understand everyone. Sin x plus cos x into dx. Why I am doing the group is understand. Why I am doing the group is understand everyone. Understand? Why I am doing the group E? Denominator is the one sin term plus one cos term. Same as the example problem. Yes. B. Right. Everyone see. Now separate two parts. Now separate two parts. Now separate half is the both multiplication. Half is the both multiplication. Integral of sin x plus cos x by sin x plus cos x. Sin x plus cos x into dx. One part. Second part is write down integral of sin x minus cos x. Sin x minus cos x by sin x plus cos x into dx. Sin x cos x into dx. Is it clear? First part both are cancelled. First part both are cancelled. Okay na? First part both are cancelled. 1 by 2 bracket integral of dx only. 1 into dx. 1 into dx plus second part is, everyone observe, sin x derivative is the plus cos x, cos x derivative is the minus sin x. Take minus is common, then denominator derivative is the numerator. So numerator take minus is common, then denominator derivative is the numerator. Denominator derivative is the numerator. Immediately let it be t. Problem is completed. So once again you can see this is an important problem because of, so everyone observe this problem is most important. I will give the 33 problem first. There is no derivative, that's why I will write cot x means cos x by sin x. Cos x by sin x. Immediately I will take sin LCM. So immediately we take LCM mean we get sin x by sin x plus cos x, but we think 1, but we get one more term. But here there is no chance, that's why I multiply 2 and divide with 2. So 2 sin x means sin x plus sin x. I will write cos x minus cos x, no loss for me. So observing the denominator, basing the denominator, I will make it as a 2 groups. I will make it as a 2 group. Sin term, cos term first group, sin term, cos term second group. I will separate with the denominator and 2 parts I will write. First part is cancel 1 into dx. Second part is the take minus is common. Minus is common. Then integral of cos x minus sin x by denominator is the sin x plus cos x. Sin x plus cos x into dx. Now denominator derivative is the numerator. Here integral of 1 by 2 in the bracket integral of 1 into dx in the dx minus, here denominator let it be d. Let sin x plus cos x. Let sin x plus cos x let it be t. Sin x plus cos x let it be t. Okay na? Immediately sin x derivative is the cos x. Cos x derivative is the minus sin x into dx is equal to dt. Now write down the dx value dt by cos x minus sin x, it should be cancelled. Write down integral of cos x minus sin x by t, dx means dt by cos x minus sin x. These two are cancelled. Right now these two are cancelled. Then it will become as a half times of bracket. It is the x minus integral of 1 by t into dt. That is equal to 1 by 2 bracket x minus 1 by t integration in the log t plus c integral constant. That is the problem. Same procedure we should follow for 33 problem. Same procedure. So homework we can do one time, then we get the required problem 33. I will go through the 34 problem first. 34 problem. Everyone write down the 34 problem. Root of tan x root of tan x by sin x into cos x into dx. Right, everyone observe this problem. Here tan x is there, its derivative is the secant square x, but secant square x is not there. But sin x is there, sin x derivative is the cos x, but tan x not converting. So I will take tan x is the t mean, there is no secant square x. But sin x let it be t mean, cos x we have derivative, but tan x is not converting. That is the problem. This problem is arising means immediately we can think sin x downside write down cos x and multiply with one more cos x, it will become as a cos square x. 1 by cos square x is the secant square x, total is the tan x let it be t. I am going to convert the total problem in terms of tan x. Because of sin x let it be t, cos x we have, but tan x not converting. Tan x let it be t, its derivative is not converting. Okay na? Its derivative is not converting. So that's why first we have to convert. Now see, integral of root of tan x by, here I will write sin x by cos x into cos x. Already we have the one more cos x without class here. Cos x is cancelled, sin x cos x will get. So here we total is converting integral of root of tan x by tan x into cos square x into dx. 1 by cos square x we can write it as a secant square x. Write down integral of root times is cancelled, 1 by root of tan x, 1 by cos square x is the secant square x into dx. Now let it be tan x is equal to t. First complete. Now let it be tan x is equal to t. First you have to complete. Now let it be tan x is equal to t. What target we are reaching today first? Tan x, let tan x is equal to t. So immediately secant square x into dx is equal to dt. Its self derivative dx is equal to dt by secant square x. Right, substitute integral of 1 by root t secant square x, dx is the dt by secant square x. Both are cancelled. This is the t power of minus of into dt. Now we can apply t power of minus of plus 1 by minus of plus 1 plus c. Right, it should be complete. 35 problem. Integral of 1 plus log x whole square by x into dx. 1 plus log x derivative is in the denominator. 1 plus log x let it be t. 1 plus log x let it be t. First 1 plus log x, 1 plus log x let it be t. First we have to complete. Log x derivative is the 1 by x, itself derivative is the dx, t derivative is the 1, itself derivative is the dt. So dx is equal to x into dt. Right, substitute. Integral of t square by x into dt, both are cancelled. So t power of 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c, that is equal to t cube by 3 plus c. Right, t means write down everyone 1 plus log x whole cube by 3 plus c. Okay, clear?
middle button आहे